Katie, and today we're going to read Here We Are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth. Remember, we all live on this big planet called Earth. Here is our title page. It is written by Oliver Jeffreys. We actually have read books by this author before. Here's a picture of the solar system. So here's our planet, and here's the sun, and here are all the other planets that also revolve around the sun. Pretty cool. That's a lot of planets. Well, hello. Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. There is much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. The planet is basically made up of two parts. The land, which is rocks and dirt, and the sea, which is water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we are standing on right now. We know lots about land. We've talked a lot about different places, right? We've talked about like the dry, hot desert, or we talked about the mountains and what that would be like. This is a volcano with hot lava, right? Then there's the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk some more about that once you've learned to swim. So our author, the person telling the story, or what we call the narrator, is talking to someone who probably is very, very young, doesn't know how to swim yet, right? There's lots of cool things in the ocean. We talked about the ocean habitat too, didn't we? There's also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated, right? We've got the air that we breathe, and then we've got all of these different layers until we get all the way up to space, and then you can see the stars and what we call it constellations, or little pictures that the stars make up if you drew lines between them. Okay, moving on. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. Look after it, as most bits don't grow back. Right? We also talked about the human body, how we have all of these important parts that we have to take care of, and how each person is special and unique, right? The most important things for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm. That's right, we should get good healthy foods, lots of water, and we need to stay warm, and we need to exercise, friends. That's always important. People come in many shapes and sizes and colors. We may all look different, act different, and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. That's right, we talked about that, didn't we, friends? There are animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak, though that's no reason not to be nice to them. That's right. We have to treat our animals kindly and make sure that we keep their habitats clean and safe. You may not be able to speak yet either, even though your head is filled with questions. Be patient. You'll learn how to use your words soon enough. So if this person doesn't know how to speak yet, what age do you think they are? Yeah, I think he might be talking to someone who is a baby. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it's daytime, and we do stuff. The rest of the time is night when it is dark, save for the moon, and we sleep. Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. More often though, they move quickly, so use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. Though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked everything out, so there is plenty left for you to do. You will figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. It looks big, Earth, but there are lots of us on here. So be kind. There is enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. We were right, friends. I was talking to a baby. You're never alone on Earth. That's right. Even when we're far away, we know that there are lots of family and friends you can always call and talk to. All right, friends. Oh, my book is stuck. All right. If you want to head back on over to the other video, and we will do some activities with Here We Are.